Namaste, my name is Shubhangi Narayane and my roll number is 14. I have selected asana from list A is Chakrasana, is also known as wheel pose. Chakra means wheel and asana means pose. So, as the name said, the pose is also resembled as wheel. So, Chakrasana is not mentioned in Hatha Yogic text, but it has a great importance. It has given a great importance by practitioner and by the yogis. So we will see how to perform the Chakrasana. Chakrasana is basically extreme backward bending asana. For that you have to practice some preparatory backward poses like Bhujanga Asana, Ustrasana called as camel pose, as well as you can practice preparatory pose as a Dhanurasana so that your spine gets flexible and rather than adapting directly Chakrasana pose, we can perform these poses and make our spine flexible to perform Chakrasana. So we will see the procedure step by step how to perform Chakrasana. For that we have to sit in Dandasana first, then adapt the supine posture. Then when we adapt the supine posture to perform the asana, our legs should be together and hands beside our thighs. Then we have to bend our knees and take our place our heels near to our buttocks as much as we can. There should not be more than shoulder level distance between both legs. Then we have to raise our hands up and place our palms upward back. We can place our palms under our shoulder, and with the support of our back muscles, we have to press down our palms on the floor as well as our feet on the floor firmly. Then we have to lift our body in upward direction, that is simply means lifting and pushing our spine in front direction. So it will resemble like a pose like a wheel. So this is the procedure of backward bending called as wheel pose. Stop. We will see what are the contraindications of Chakrasana. So person is having any kind of fracture in his body should avoid to perform this asana. Pregnant lady and even the lady is going through menstruation cycle should avoid to perform this asana. Then person having any kind of problem related to abdominal issue, passing through any kind of surgery should avoid to perform this asana. Person is having hernia problem, heart diseases, high BP issues, vertigo problem should avoid to perform this asana. Even in case of weakness in arms, wrist, legs, knees should avoid to perform this asana. Even if there is too much of stiffness in their in the person's back muscles, then avoid to perform this asana. Now we will see what are the benefits of Chakrasana. So Chakrasana strengthens our arms, wrist, shoulders, back, and knees and thigh muscles, as well as entire part of our body. Then Chakrasana we usefully practices to make our spine flexible. So flexibility of our spine gets improved by practicing Chakrasana. Then it strengthens all the back muscles. Then what happens when we will perform in Chakrasana, our frontal part of our body gets stretched. So the any internal organs present in our abdominal region gets smooth massage, and because of that our reproductive system functions well. Then even it affects that stretches affects on our pancreas, kidneys, liver, so their functionings also get smooth. Then circulatory system, nervous system, and nervous system and endocrine system functions well by practicing Chakrasana. Then it mainly focuses on opening of the chest. Because of that, it what happens whenever we inhale by practicing Chakrasana, whenever we inhale and take oxygen into the body, then what happens, more oxygen get into the body and our respiratory system and respiration becomes smooth. So it directly affects on the capacity of our lungs. So lungs capacity gets increases. So related to the diseases related to the lungs, like respiratory system diseases like asthma, like a person having bronchitis issue can be cured by regular practice of Chakrasana. Then when we observe the pose of Chakrasana, we can see the reverse blood flow is blood is flowing towards our brain. So it also stimulates our nervous system. So we can see here in the Chakrasana, it strengthens our back muscles and make our frontal part of muscles flexible. Then when we used to practice back bending asana, as our back muscles get strengthened, any kind of back issues, any kind of back pain, low back pain get reduces by regular practice of asana like Chakrasana. Then we will see what are the spiritual benefit of Chakrasana. We can see there is an extreme stretch in frontal part of our body from the region of our abdominal region to our throat region. All the part gets nice stretch. Because of that, all the chakras present in that parts can be stimulated and they can be activated by regular practice of this asana. Like Anahat chakra present in our present near to our heart region gets stimulated, and chakra Manipura chakra and Swadhisthana chakra gets stimulated by regular practice of this asana.